Take a ride in the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, fourth passenger door. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.